I'm Jillian Harris, and you're watching NGHTV.com.
The Next Gen First to the Future Home Series is presented by... The following episode is brought to you in part by Panasonic, the leader in energy-efficient, Energy Star rated ventilation and indoor air quality for the home.
So first things first, before you can build, you've got to tear down. So today, we're doing demolition. And yes, I do enjoy tearing things down. So we got our trucks here ready to take away the debris. We're gonna try and save as much as we can, but a lot of this just has to go because we are gonna build a new house. So we got our guy here ready to go in the excavator. So you ready to do some demolition?
Yes, sir.
Man, here's the beauty of demolition. I've done it several times, but every time I really enjoy it because you only get one chance to take things down. And this is definitely coming down. You guys ready to do some demo?
Yeah.
Well then let's take this sucker down! I love the sound of things breaking. So here's the cool thing. So we're tearing all this down, but we're really gonna try and really recycle so many of these products. That was a big wall. Yeah. So any of that brick, any XX brick, we're actually gonna keep. We're gonna reuse for landscaping, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So whatever we can save to recycle and reuse, we're gonna. Yeah! I think the neighbors are aware that we're starting the project. Okay, so this is what the old house was made of. It's called Norwegian brick. It's a massive, large brick, which is lovely and solid, but interestingly enough, not as insulated as what's going to be going into the new house. But the great news is we can reuse these for landscaping. It should be great. You know, I don't know, it could be me, but it feels like I've really got some kind of extra help today. It's like someone from above is saying, you know what, Ty, this is the day you should start building that house. I don't know, it's just like just feels like anything could happen, you know? That's the sound of progress. Now that roof, as beautiful as it was in the 40s, isn't even close to being storm resistant. In fact, it's not really even excavator resistant, as you can tell. But now that wall, it's coming down. Oh yeah. Incoming! I love that sound. Well, you know, right behind that wall right there is the kitchen. And let's just say the kitchen could really use some work. And that is already an improvement. Yeah. It's a condensed kitchen. Man, I love this stuff. Okay, so as you can tell, we've already made a lot of progress, and this is just day one. So stay tuned to check out all the progress of the Next Gen First to the Future home. Already, it's looking better.